Endeavor 4924, ready tower, runway 4, line 48, traffic store final, runway 31.
Runway 4, line up to Endeavor 4924.
Endeavor 5305, contact near departure.
Departure Endeavor 5305.
Airway 472, hold short of runway 4 at Papa.
4 Papa.
Square 472 to Fairfield, hold short runway 4 at Papa.
Hold on, we're trying to land. You're giving me a hold short while I'm trying to land. You know why we have problems with that?
Okay, Square 472, just turn left onto Romeo, right Papa, hold short of runway 4.
Okay, you understand that we have all these problems. We're trying to land the airplane. You're giving me hold short instructions.
Square 472, need you off the runway, traffic on a mile final, turn left on Romeo, right on Papa, hold short of runway 4.
Left on Romeo, right on Papa, hold short 4, Airway 472.
Square 472, traffic holding position runway 4, cross runway 4 at Papa, left on double alpha, and contact ground point 7.
Cross 4 on Papa, left on double alpha, contact ground, Airway 472.
Welcome to LaGuardia, Square.
No, this is why we have the problems, man.
You're the only one that had the problem.
Ground Spirit Wings 472 on double alpha, going to gate 4.
Spirit 472, LaGuardia ground, continue double alpha to the ramp.
Double alpha to the ramp, Airway 472.